Alright guys, you're back here with the Backwoods Backpacker, and what I have for you today is going to be a giveaway. So recently I saw a Facebook ad about they're called the Solo Stoves. It's a brand that they make the Solo Stoves. It's gasifier stoves. I saw an ad on their Facebook. They were doing a free survival fire kit. So I went through it and did it. Ended up only paying $2.99 for shipping. So I actually bought two of them to do this. I'm going to demonstrate one, and I'm also going to give one away. At the end of the video, I'll give you all the details on how to enter the giveaway. And then, I don't know, in a couple weeks or something, I'll announce it. I'll put the date and everything in there, so don't worry about that. But what came in it was survival stormproof matches. So we're gonna try them out. And then they got Sweetfire fire starters. And it says here, made from renewable biofuels, which is cool. Burns for about 6 minutes each. That's actually really good. You could start a fire in a little stove. You could start a regular fire. That's pretty neat. So let's get these open and check them out and see what they look like. All right, so let's check out these first. Oh, there's 24 in here. I thought they were bigger than this. They come in two little bricks, and I don't know if you can see that, but they're slit. They're like individual little pieces. So each one of these will burn for 6 minutes, and you get a whole nother pack in here. It says to prolong shelf life, keep your unused fire starters in this plastic wrap. Let's just break one off here. It smells just like sawdust. Alright, so that's all the bigger they are. And they burn for 6 minutes. That's pretty neat. So I'll bring them up, stick this back in here. Alright, let's get you down here. I'm gonna get one of these matches. And I'm guessing these are like strike anywhere matches. Oh no, there's strikers in here. See if I can get them out. I'm just gonna have to dump all of them out. So they come with a little striker. 2 little strikers actually. Alright, so let's give this a go. That was pretty easy. Well, these burn extremely quick. Alright, so I got that thing burning. that was pretty simple. It didn't take much to light it. And so while that's burning, you're supposed to be waterproof matches. So put a little bit of water in that pan there. Let's see if it's really waterproof. Just give this a... Now these do burn extremely quick, so as soon as you light it, you gotta put it to whatever you're burning quick. Alright. Let's see if we can... And it actually lights back up. Cool. So they are waterproof. They burn a little faster than what I would like. So I mean, if you were to, they just burn extremely quick. Cool though, they're neat, good in a survival situation. I wouldn't want to try to light a fire with it every time. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on the Solo Stove Survival Fire Starter Kit. Like I said, you get the SweetFire fire starter and then the waterproof and windproof matches. It's not a bad deal for $2.99. That's shipping. All you have to do is pay shipping and they send it to you. Like I said, I bought 2 packs of them. So this one I'm going to use myself, and the next one I'm going to do a giveaway with. So what you need to do, subscribe to this channel. This is to enter into the giveaway. Subscribe to this channel, and then like the Backwoods Backpacker Facebook page. Once you like the Facebook page, comment "done" on the video in the Facebook page. So like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like the video. Go over to my Facebook page, the Backwoods Backpacker. I'll put a link and everything in the description. It'll take you right to it. Like that page, and then comment "done" on the video in on the Facebook page. Yeah, guys. Once again, thanks for the support. All the subscribers now already watching this, I appreciate it. I love doing this stuff for you guys. I'm gonna try to find the link to this kit. $2.99. You can't beat it. These little things, 24 of them, if they burn for 6 minutes, they'll last you a good while. So for $2.99, you have 24 fires. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah, like I said, love doing this for you guys. I try to go out and find the best quality products for the cheapest price to get you guys out there in the outdoors. Once again, thanks for the subscribes and everything like that. Stick around. I'm going to be doing some more gear reviews, guys. Thanks.